Are you struggling to get Social Security disability benefits? Finding the right lawyer can make all the difference, but with so many options available, how do you know who to trust? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find the top Social Security disability lawyers near you, the ones who can actually win your case. First things first, experience matters. You need a lawyer who specializes in Social Security disability cases, not just any general attorney. Look for someone with at least 5 to 10 years of experience and a solid track record of winning cases. An easy way to check is by searching on Google, reading reviews, and visiting their website. If they've won cases similar to yours, that's a great sign. Next, go for a lawyer who offers a free consultation. This allows you to discuss your case without any upfront costs. During the consultation, ask them important questions like, what's your success rate? How many SSD cases have you handled? What's your strategy for my case? If they dodge your questions or seem unsure, that's a major red flag. Move on to someone who is confident and experienced. Another crucial tip is to find a lawyer who works on a contingency basis, meaning you don't pay unless you win. The best Social Security disability lawyers don't charge upfront fees, they only get pay when you get paid. This ensures that they are fully motivated to fight for your case. If a lawyer asks for a big payment upfront, that's a warning sign to look elsewhere. To find the best lawyer near you, check local Facebook groups, Reddit discussions, and Yelp reviews. Many people share their real experiences, helping you avoid bad lawyers and find the most reputable ones. Word-of-mouth recommendations can be incredibly valuable in making the right choice. Finding the right Social Security disability lawyer can make or break your case, so take your time, do your research, and don't settle for less. Have you worked with an SSD lawyer before? Share your experience in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful content on Social Security benefits. See you in the next video.